Okay, today we got an 02 Tahoe Z71. We're gonna be doing the fuel pump. First thing you want to do is undo your spare tire. Of course, you're gonna go out with the take your key, take your spare down. So you got plenty of room under here, and undo your spare. Then we're gonna take these lines off right here. Your evac line and your fuel line filler, and then you got two straps. And this one, these kind of go in kind of cockeyed at the front, and I'll show you that in a minute. And we'll take this little shield off. I think they're 10 millimeters. Right here, this shield, right there. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, like I said, you're gonna have them two straps. They're gonna be 15 millimeter. And the two straps are right up under. There's one on that side and one on the other side. Okay, what I do is I go in through here. I blew everything out, and I'm going to knock that around and pull it out from right here. But your straps, see how your straps are. You got one strap there, and you got one strap right here. I'll take it off. And your little heat shield, it's just got these two 10 millimeters and little metal clips. Just pull them off. No big deal on that. And you can pull it all the way out if you want, or you can do it like I'm doing it. And I'll show you that here in 1 second. Okay, you're gonna knock this ring counterclockwise, of course, which would be this way. You'll knock it, just knock it lightly with I use a long screwdriver and a hammer, and just barely tap it. And of course, don't sit there and bang on it. You don't want sparks or nothing. This one was pretty rusted, so it took it a minute. And then just gently pull up on it, and everything will come out. So we'll put that new one on in here in just a second.